got a green light. Dan's getting loosened up there, getting ready to move.
Rick GALL here, the first truck in this division. This is your Grove Street diesel truck.
And I can tell you, this is the good ones. They're all good ones, but Rick down. Look at that. Power, stroke power. Now this got that central 35 pound, he said. Wow, you've been working out. On the sled, we got green on the track, and here we go. Gonna wipe out a few mosquitoes before we get started. Got to love a good spool up, guys. Woo! But by golly, he's winning her so far. What a good pull for the Apex Diesel. In this truck right here, Jeremy GAHR is up now. I didn't get any information on this truck.
You gonna give her a heart attack again?
That's a Dodge truck. The Red Dog truck. All right, thanks for filling me in there. I like that. Hey, pretty good. I don't know. I don't know. He's right up in there. I don't know if we got him or not, but a good job deserving a round of applause anyway.
At Bunker Hill, Ohio. This truck's been running all over. This is one to watch out for. Ron King and the Problem Child. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ron King with the Problem Child for power. Let's cheer on.
Wow. I think he bounced through the last hole, but I don't know. The sled doesn't.
He's going to have a picture raffle over there. As I said, you can see it's on the far side of the track. On the stage side, they're also going to be selling window stickers for the event. How about that Ford power for you?